All right, look, if you're struggling with long-term consistent profits in trading, NQES, gold, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you what we do on a daily basis. And it's called our 10 and 2. And this is how I do it. Okay. No candles are on the screen. I'm just going to show you with our tools. And I'm going to start right here. So this is the 4-hour candle turned into this right here. This is the 15-minute candle. This is 10 a.m. right here. This is where the zones start. Both of them are starting at 10, 15, and 4. When the 10 breaks away, what I look for is the pullback and then the momentum shift up, right? So turn the candles on. 10 breaks away. We get an alert that this happened. You don't even have to come to your screen until this happens because it could happen at 10:15, 10:30, 10:45. We get a breakaway. Then we come look. We wait for that momentum shift down. Here it is. And then the momentum bullish run back up, right? And we get into the trade just like, wrong one. We get into the trade just like that. And this is one of our typical scalps between our 10 and 2. Okay. Now 2 p.m. same thing. We come over here, and this is perfect with people that need some structure and consistency. We get 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. comes into play. Our 15-minute breaks away down. See, this breaks down here. This is a 15-minute candle turned into this. And then we get our pull back up, and then our momentum shift down. Our entry is this candle, right? And then we target our institutional zone down here, just like that. Now, these were called out live in our trade room, but you can come snatch up these indicators and try it for free for 2 weeks and come back and back test when this happens. It happens all the time. And or you can join the pro, and you can actually come into our private Discord live stream and see the executions live, because this is what I do every single day, is take these trades. Now, sometimes they work at 6 p.m. Sometimes they work at 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. And it's basically the momentum shifts on the 4-hour candle. It's the easiest setup in the world. This is a patent pending indicator right here. It powers most of our algos and everything else. But for our manual trading, this is kind of the easiest way to use it. So if you have any questions, hit us up in our Discord or messages in the social media or whatever. We'll help you out.